Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you someone who wants to speak English, learn English, but doesn't know where to start? Well, let me tell you, you are in the exact right place. Today is day 1 of our basic English classes. In this series, we are going to learn English from very scratch. No boring rules, just practical and easy steps. It doesn't matter whether you are a kid or an adult. If you want to learn the basics of English in this class, you can start with us. Let's quickly jump into the class. And please make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications to get information about our next classes. Let's start the class. As you all know, we have 26 letters in English. Out of these, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. When we join these letters, we get words, and when we join words, we create a complete sentences. So, I think we should not spend too much time on alphabets and words. We should move forward and focus on sentences. So, let's start. A sentence is a group of words making complete sense. That means it should convey the feeling of the narrator. Look at the following group of words. Boys are going to school. She sang a sweet song. Misha is my best friend. Please lend me your book. These groups of words make complete sense. That's why they are sentences. But sometimes we can say a sentence in just one word, like stop, come, sit, look. Now let's understand how a single word can be a sentence. In English, a sentence needs a subject and an action to make complete sense. But sometimes when we give a command, I repeat, when we give a command or an order, the subject you is hidden. For example, if I look at you and say stop, it means you stop. If I say come, it means you come. So, words like go, sit, listen are not just words. They are full and fully powerful words, one word sentences, because they give a complete meaning on their own. A sentence must give a complete message, and one word sentences do exactly that. In these sentences, the person we are talking to is always you. Can you understand? In these sentences, the person we are talking is always you, but we don't need to say it aloud. For example, run. It means you run. Wait. It means you wait. Look. It means you look. Okay? Now look at the following groups of words. In the morning, after an hour, on the table, with my brother. What are these? These groups of words make some sense, but their sense is not complete. That means these are incomplete words. Okay? These are not conveying a proper sense. They need some more words to express a whole idea. Like in the morning. In the morning have its sense, but it is not a complete sense. After an hour have sense, but not complete. So these are starting from prepositions and having incomplete sense. Such a group of words that makes sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. Okay, so here in the morning, after an hour, on the table, with my brother are not sentences. These are phrases. Okay, these are phrases. And a phrase often begins with a preposition. Like you can see that in the morning, in, after, on, with, all these are prepositions. But there can be all kinds of phrases. That means there are many phrases which would not started from any preposition. Like the green car. Here the green car have sense but not complete. That means here this is not a sentence, this is a phrase. My older brother. My elder brother. The day before yesterday. The man with a cap. So, let's quickly look at the difference between a sentence and a phrase in English. To understand this easily, let's look at three simple rules. One is meaning, complete versus incomplete. Okay? See, first sentence. He is singing. It conveys a complete sense. But phrases on the roof is not complete. Okay? A sentence always gives us a complete thought or idea. But a phrase only gives us a partial or incomplete idea, like on the roof. On the roof what? What on the roof? Second rule is the formula, like subject plus verb. He is, in the sentence he is singing, here he is a subject and singing is verb. But on the roof, where the subject, where the verb. Let's see an example. In the kitchen. Now you all tell me in the comment section that in the kitchen is a phrase or a sentence. Like, try to find out, is there any subject and verb in these word? In the kitchen, is there any subject? Is there any verb? You don't know who or what is in the kitchen. That's why it has a meaning, but it's not complete. It is incomplete because you don't know who or what is in the kitchen. But if I say the cat is in the kitchen, this is a complete sense. It has a subject, the cat, a verb, is, and it makes perfect sense. The next train is at 4. This sentence is also have its own meaning. But all the boys in my class. This is a phrase. Why? All the boys are in my class. What? All the boys in my class are what? It need some more words to complete the proper meaning. Like all the boys in my class are intelligent. All the boys in my class are smart, are naughty, are doing their homework or are doing their project, whatever it may be. But these need more words to complete the sentences. That's why here all the boys in my class is a phrase. Misha wrote a letter. See, Misha is subject and writing, wrote is a verb. That means here are subject and verb present in this sentence. But in a phrase, remember, but in a phrase, both subject and verb cannot stay together. Both couldn't be a part of a phrase. Let me make it very clear that a phrase does not have both a subject and a verb working together. Maybe subject, maybe verb is present in phrase, but both cannot be work together. So, you should buy this book. This sentence successfully conveying the message the sentence want to. But with a piece of chalk. With a piece of chalk, what? Like I said earlier, you don't know what to do with the chalk. The phrase is incomplete because it cannot express the goal of the chalk. With a piece of chalk. With a piece of chalk, I can draw, I can write, I can make fun. Okay, I can throw it out. But it doesn't make it clear here. That's why this is a phrase. I hope at the end of the class you are able to understand the difference between sentence and phrases. So here is a task for you. Form a phrase beginning with preposition before and give it in the comment box. Thank you. Thanks for your attention. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Good day.